G'day folks. Well, it's time for another tyre explosion using high pressure water. This tyre is almost new. I used it once on the 323 BMW that I had, an E30 model. But it's almost 25 years old now. Like it's so hard and nasty you just never use it on road again. It's like driving on solid plastic. So let's put it out of its misery with a lot of high pressure water. One thing I forgot to do is replace the valve stem with an all metal one, so hopefully that won't blow out, but if it does we'll resume the test another time. Oh, we have failure. That was a bit different to the last one, but then this one's never been punctured before. So this was the first one I ever did, and I used a bleed screw right there, and that's where the tread failed at 250 pounds. This one has never had a puncture, never really been used enough to even get rid of the little hairs on it. Where did it go though? Oh, I see. Right there. Sort of where tread separation occurs anyway when you drive on a really rotten old tyre. That's pretty good. And definitely blew a lot of dirt off the end of that one, and yeah, no harm done. That's really cool. Well, it is chained down for that reason, but yeah, you can see it's separated the tread, which is exactly what happens when you drive on a tyre that's way out of date. The tread cracks and separates off. That's why I never use anything that's over 8 years old anyway. So that's really cool. Well, that's the end of that one. Thanks for watching. When I get around to dismounting it, I'll probably just use the 9-inch grinder, just cut the beads and everything. I'll do a final autopsy on it, just full cross section.